Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big updates to do with Polkadot and Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis too. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 400 likes, and also want to know down below, when did you first hear about either of these cryptocurrencies? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Before we jump into the latest updates, let's take a look at how the market has been performing over the past couple of days. Bitcoin has been hovering around the levels of $55,000, and since then we have seen a very nice pump to the upside of above $59,000. Altcoins have been showing a very similar response, but again we are waiting for a big move from Bitcoin to be able to see some incredible gains. I personally think April is going to be a very big month for cryptocurrency, considering this month has mainly been a consolidation phase. Bitcoin is currently at 58,964, Ethereum is at 1,837, Binance Coin is at $302, Cardano is at $1.22, Polkadot is at $34.53, XRP is at 57 cents, Uniswap is at $28.73, Litecoin is at $199, Theta token is at $12.94, and Chainlink is at $28.46. But in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the latest big updates to do with Polkadot and Chainlink, so let's jump straight into the first article. So we'll start off with the latest updates to do with Polkadot, and this article says Polkadot moves towards sharding as the Kala network secures first Rococo parachain slot. Polkadot's vision for a sharded parachain ecosystem is moving towards becoming a reality. The Polkadot ecosystem continues to progress, with DeFi platform Akala network becoming the first to win a parachain slot on the Rococo testnet. Akala, the self-described decentralized finance hub for Polkadot, announced it has secured the slot on March 26th. And as you can see here, here's the official tweet from Akala itself. Akala has won the first parachain slot auction on Polkadot testnet Rococo, and now Akala occupies the first public parachain slot on Rococo. Keep on building. Akala was launched in January 2020 with the DeFi consortium striving to create a cross-chain open finance infrastructure for the Polkadot ecosystem. In February, Akala launched an Ethereum virtual machine based on Polkadot's substrate framework, facilitating interoperability with Ethereum-based assets. The official parachain launch takes the platform a step further towards its goal of providing cross-chain interoperability on a rapidly expanding Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot's multi-chain parachain ecosystem will use sharded sidechains to process transactions in parallel. Parachains are acquired in an auction process whereby projects try to outbid each other for the slot. Polkadot launched Rococo as a parachain testnet in August 2020 to test its inter-shard communication protocols before projects process to deploying on Polkadot's sister network, Kusuma. Akala also has plans to launch a dollar-pegged stablecoin designed for use across any Polkadot-based project. A new Polkadot DAO alliance has also been announced on March 26th to promote the development and decentralized governance on the Polkadot ecosystem. The alliance was launched by 11 Genesis members, including leading Polkadot projects. The alliance will establish a DAO ecosystem development fund with several $1 million to offer financial support for early stage projects of DAO and Web 3.0. The rapid growth of Polkadot has propelled its native DOT token up the crypto market charts in 2021, as it's gained 250% since the beginning of the year and is currently trading at $32.70 at the time of writing. So overall, this is big news for Polkadot, as we are really starting to see some development in the ecosystem. I personally think summertime is going to be incredibly big for this crypto space, and I think that is when we'll start to see its full potential. Over the next few months we are going to be seeing some incredible updates coming to this crypto space that I believe are going to be game changer and will propel them in the bull run. But I want to know down below, what was the cheapest price you bought Polkadot? We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Polkadot, and if I show you this chart here, as you can see, since the start of February, Polkadot has been on a very bullish direction. We ended up peaking at the levels of $42, and since then we have been in a sideways action, waiting for a big move. I personally think, as you can see here, on the weekend we did have a big drop, nothing too crazy, but again it did get a lot of people panicking. But again, I think this would have been the best possible time to buy, because as you can see here, we have bounced back. We are waiting for Bitcoin to push above the levels of $60,000, and that is when we'll start to see some real traction. I personally think when Bitcoin does hit above the levels of 62,000 to 65,000, that is when altcoins are going to show the true potential. If you are looking for an entry point into Polkadot, it all comes down on how long you are planning on holding it for. I personally think this time here would have been the best possible time to buy. Yes, it had the risk of going down further, but as you can see here, this was round about a 20% drop from the all-time high. So again, to me, this would have been a very good buying opportunity to even buy a little bit of Polkadot. My personal end of year target for Polkadot is $150 to $200 purely because of the potential it has. I also think similar to Chainlink as well, purely because I think Polkadot and Chainlink are going to be game changer. But I want to know down below, which of the two cryptocurrencies do you prefer, Chainlink or Polkadot? We're now going to take a look at the latest integrations to do with Chainlink, as well as a clip from Sergey Nazarov, and this article says how Origin uses Chainlink oracles to secure OUSD. We're excited to announce that Origin has integrated new Chainlink oracles live on mainnet, and that Chainlink is now the sole provider of real-time data feeds for OUSD. This is a big deal for the growth and security of Origin Dollar, the only stablecoin that earns a yield while it's still in your wallet. As part of the integration, Chainlink is integrating and sponsoring two new Chainlink price feeds, USDT USD and USDC and USD, as well as leveraging Chainlink's existing DAI USD price feed. These decentralized price oracles ensure that Origin users are minting or redeeming OUSD at more accurate exchange rates and with cheaper gas costs. As long as USDT, USDC and DAI maintain their peg to the dollar, anyone can upgrade any of these stablecoins to OUSD on a one-to-one basis. And it says down here why Origin selected Chainlink. We've been long-time admirers of the Chainlink community. For years, the Link Marines have been known for their passion and dedication to making Chainlink successful. However, with the Cambrian explosion of interest and capital flowing into DeFi more recently, the wider blockchain industry has gained much deeper appreciation for the importance of Chainlink's technology. Today, Chainlink oracles are one of the most important linchpins to the security of DeFi, securing billions of dollars in on-chain value. Nearly every significant DeFi protocol is secured by Chainlink oracles, and that demand is only growing as DeFi gains more widespread adoption and protocols opt for the highest standards of data quality and reliability. Like the Chainlink community, we share a passion and commitment for taking DeFi mainstream. At Origin, we've already focused on building software that can scale beyond hardcore crypto users to individuals and companies everywhere. And if I bring you over to Chainlink's official Twitter, as you can see here, there is tons and tons of integrations almost every single day to do with Chainlink, and that is why it is such a major step forward. Chainlink is almost everywhere, and almost every single cryptocurrency that wants to be relevant needs to be integrated with Chainlink. So without Chainlink, even Polkadot, Zilliqa, Theta Token, etc. cannot do what they want to do. And if I bring you over to Chainlink's ecosystem, as you can see here, we are now up to 467 integrations or partnerships. So again, Chainlink are cementing themselves as to why they are a big deal in this crypto space. Without Chainlink, a lot of these big cryptocurrencies, as well as majority of cryptocurrencies out there, cannot do what they want to do without Chainlink. Yes, it has been going pretty slow over the past couple months, but again, its time will come. Patience is what will make you a winner in this space, and if you truly believe in the technology and you realise the potential of the cryptocurrency, this would not bother you in the slightest, because if it is not going crazy, it is a perfect opportunity to accumulate more. But I want to know down below, when did you first hear about Chainlink? And to finish off today's video, we are going to be taking a look at an important clip from Sergey Nazarov.
For the first time in history, if somebody fails in their ability to provide trust to their users, the users look for an alternative through the internet, through YouTube, through Wikipedia, through Twitter, through all these informational channels. And what they will find increasingly through the combination of blockchain oracles and the applications that use those two technologies is an alternative. And the only thing stopping them from adopting that alternative is that they don't know about it, and or that the alternative for their specific situation hasn't been built yet. But once again, the big difference between now and every other time in history is that it can be built. We can build a lottery that is provably fair and can't be gamed by anybody. We can build a financial product that doesn't asymmetrically benefit large hedge funds to the detriment of small holders, of small asset holders or the larger market. We can build insurance regardless of whether a large insurance company decides to provide insurance to a geography or doesn't decide to provide it. And this is the amazing thing that I think we're all involved in, and that I'm super excited to see come out of this hackathon and what you can build here. Because if somebody here can build the next generation of a vertical or of a use case, or they can improve DeFi, or they can improve insurance, or they can improve how NFTs are generated using VRF, then that is an important incremental step towards this alternate world that is fair and is transparent and doesn't care where you are, where you're born, or where you live. All you need is access to the internet and the willingness to participate in an agreement, which I think will level the playing field across the world.
Just quickly, only 20% of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you are new around here or regular, hit the subscribe button as it is free and you can always unsubscribe later if you do not enjoy my content. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can hit that 400 like target, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.